Let's take a quick walk around here. One truck and another. I'm trying to get both simultaneously working, running, driving. As you can see in that truck, the customer purchased the wrong engine, did not listen to the mechanic's advice or know-how, and he's getting rid of that entirely. Let's see what the customer's right about this time. But just a quick splur. This one will be a lot easier than that one because it doesn't have that godforsaken issue. But it only took me only a day to get this one out and get another day involved with the other install. So there was quite a few changes I had to do to get this other block to fit in. They're both 5.3s now. Well, that one is a 5.3, but this one was a 4.8. It's a good looking, my color, but my brand, right? Everyone knows that. Well, you guys enjoy yourselves. I'll keep you posted. Next video will be when these vehicles are running and moving. Pray to the Lord, eh? See you later.